We are in the embryonic stage of an epidemic of identity and data theft. The needle is clearly moving in the direction of something that we cannot control.
We really are in a state of cyber warfare. The risk of losing someone's sensitive information is very real.
Where we are today in combating this is we're losing. Once your identity is stolen, it's stolen forever.
And it's not a matter of if you're going to be hacked, it's just a matter of when.
You have groups like the Russian Mafia in the Eastern Bloc, the Triad in Southeast Asia, the Cartel in Latin America, and all have found a significant stream of revenue in the field of identity and data theft.
As information technology increasingly pervades every aspect of our society, the opportunities for criminals to take advantage of it have also increased.
Inflexis is the technology leader in identity and access management. There's nothing on the market like us today. If you're serious about security, you want as much of your security in hardware as you can get. So that's why we use a microprocessor in each of our devices.
When you enter an element of biometric credentials to that login process, now when you have to go back and look and see who did what, you've got biometric credentials that can't be recreated, they can't be stolen, they can't be faked.
One of the key points around the design of the Inflexis system is we believe that most endpoints are not secure and that software can never be counted on to be secure. To have a very high functioning, secure system, you have to combine hardware and software, and that's one of the things that makes us unique.
They made it so simple to use that a guy like me can get in and out with relative ease, and I don't have to remember anything.
Most of our competition don't have built-in microprocessors, and no one has a battery and a display for some unique functionality. So when you combine our hardware and our software that works in Active Directory with an auto installer, I might add, for easy implementation, we're way ahead of the competition.
This is tomorrow's necessity today. And one of the interesting things about what Inflexis has put together is they've built a product that has 256-bit encryption. It's the same level of protection the NSA uses to transport classified documents.
But if somehow someone gets into your server and is rummaging through Active Directory, they're not going to get your passwords because they're all encrypted with AES 256. First of all, the users have to like it. It has to make their life easier and not more difficult. If it makes their life hard, they're going to find a way around it, or they won't use it at all. So the users really love our device. We make their life a lot simpler.
When I talk to clients, some people say, well, you know, it's kind of that James Bond thing. I mean, do we really need that?
If you're a public company, you really don't want that to happen on your watch as CEO.
Across the board, there's one common denominator, and that common denominator is that we are not safe.